Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, and we are now ready to share a more comprehensive analysis with you. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has classified SPY as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.86. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 7.64% since we initially recommended purchasing a SPY 16 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.48% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a possible change of 2.75% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between negative 4.02% and 5.33%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can expect a change of 31.62% over the next year, with potential returns between 24.21% and 37.22%. This projection suggests a price range of $693.46 to $766.13 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF features the headline, SPY ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The price of the SPY ETF experienced a decline of 0.581% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024. It dropped from $561.56 to $558.30. Throughout that trading session, the ETF showed fluctuations of 1.19%, ranging from a low of $555.04 to a high of $561.64. In recent days, the price has increased on 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.68% over the past 2 weeks. However, the trading volume rose by 8 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 40 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $22.49 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price reached $409.21. Currently, the price stands at 1.21%, or $6.85, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF, known as SPY, is currently experiencing notable developments as it approaches its peak performance for the year. In the past few weeks, SPY gained 1.5%, helping it inch closer to its record high from mid-July, with an impressive year-to-date increase of 18.8%. This bullish trend is supported by broader market conditions as global equities remain on investors' radar. Recent sentiment from hedge funds has indicated a shift towards bearish positions on the S&P 500, with speculative bets dropping significantly. This might signal a cautionary approach amid potential market volatility. However, as the Federal Reserve hints at potential interest rate cuts, sectors such as real estate investment trusts or REITs are garnering interest for their attractive valuations, which may indirectly benefit SPY in a lower rate environment. In terms of dividends, the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF has shown a robust performance, gaining 5.15% in July, reflecting investor interest in quality assets. If SPY continues to reflect strong earnings alongside this dividend momentum, it could see sustained support from long-term investors. In the short term, market fluctuations driven by economic indicators and hedge fund sentiment could create volatility. However, the potential for rate cuts and consistent investor interest in broad equity exposure could bolster SPY's performance in the long term. As always, investors should remain vigilant to evolving market conditions that could impact their strategies. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY Exchange Traded Fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, leading to a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $559.75. Conversely, if it falls, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $547.80. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. Notably, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, August 23, 2024. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 190 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $532.90. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund has typical daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.60 between its high and low, which represents 1.19%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.05%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $559.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $532.90. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We recommend setting your stop loss at $27.92, representing a 5% decrease. Calculation cannot be performed at this time. Is the SPY ETF a good investment option? While the SPY ETF shows several positive indicators, these alone are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors should consider holding or accumulating more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis for this ETF since the last evaluation, downgrading it from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of August, we anticipate that SPY will open up approximately 2.73 cents and begin trading at $558.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.